at a sign.
All right, kids, let's see which one of you remember. Ready? You all paying attention? The stars at night are big and bright. And then what happens? Deep in the...
No, oh my gosh.
For some reason, I didn't do a good job documenting this, and it's a short video, but still enjoy. Good morning. We are at Traders Village RV Park in just outside the Dallas-Fort Worth area in Arlington. When we mapped our trip home from Oklahoma, I saw that it passed through Arlington and that there was a Six Flags here. So if you watch previous seasons, Joe and the kids, Joe and Dawson, love theme parks. It's funny because this year I'm seeing a trend. Joe and I are getting older. We just turned 37, so Joe is liking the rides less in terms of like feeling dizzy and like crap after. And Peyton we went to SeaWorld last month, just home for the summer, and Peyton loves everything now. She used to be afraid to go upside down, things like that. So now I'm gonna say we booked this so the kids could go to the theme park and not so much Joe and Dawson. Anyhow, I just put it in the Good Sam trip planner, found an RV park that was close by. This Traders Village apparently is pretty well known, pretty big around here. It's like a giant flea market. The RV park, I mean, it's nothing special. I'll show you the site in a moment, but it is full hookups. It was 5 miles away. The theme park itself didn't have a campground like when we did Cedar Point last year. So we're camping here. When we got here, Joe was putting the X-Chocks on the tires and saw that there was a piece broken behind it, one of the shackles on the axles. So it worked out that the park opens later, opens at 11 a.m. So we had a mobile tech come by and fix that this morning. So yesterday we talked to him, he confirmed he had the parts, he could do it. He came today to fix it. So shout out to T's Mobile Repair. If you're ever in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, he travels a 100-mile radius. He's based here in Grand Prairie, which is where our campground is. He was wonderful, he was quick, pretty reasonably priced for mobile repair, and got that taken care of this morning. So I'm going to show you a couple things before we head out to the park, the theme park and the water park. We did go for a few hours last night as well. If you're into flea markets, the flea market here is like massive, and they even have, like, you can kind of see through the trees there, a couple rides. So at first we thought, and I thought booking it, that we could actually see Six Flags from here. That's not the case. It's 5 miles away. I was seeing those little amusement rides that are at the flea market. So looks like a big flea market if you're into that thing. My dad would have loved that. He was a huge flea marketer, so I grew up doing that. And then here is the shackle that was broken. So I don't know, Joe kind of read some mixed things online that you're supposed to replace them like every 6,000 or 7,000 miles, which seems extremely unreasonable. We have 31,000 miles on this camper. We've never touched them. It wasn't anything we were really aware of. So I guess we got a good life out of it. Like when he was chalking it, he could see it right through there. Sorry, we are also next to an airport. So didn't mind the noise at all. It's actually pretty cool because you can see these little planes taking off. All right, well, we're off to explore the park. All right, Dawson and Peyton are on this one. Shockwave. Seems pretty old.